So we got a new power head being replaced. This one is on a 90 horse this time. What caused this one to be replaced was a hole in cylinder number 2. Bad injector and the wrong spark plugs were put in, and they were also too hot. Too long of a plug also burned a hole in cylinder number 2. So got a new power head here from Mercury. Luckily his insurance covered it because his warranty was out. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at the hole that's in cylinder number 2. You can see how hot that cylinder was, how clean it is. And there's that hole right in the center, guys, and the cylinder wall's all scored up. So bad injector and wrong spark plugs caused this issue. So